Hello, my name is Tiana and I'm going to show you in this tutorial how to update your profile, how to change the settings regarding your course. So first of all, we go to the profile, which is in the top right hand corner, and click here. So go to profile and you learn some important information about me. So here are some my name, of course, badges that I got. If you want to change some information, you go to edit profile. Maybe there was some spelling mistake or something. You want to change your email address. Here is also information about your city and country of origin. Whatever changes you need to make. When you finish that, you click on submit. This is very important. That's the only way how you can save the changes, and as you can see, details saved successfully. Another important thing when you go to the profile settings is this button. So it's the one which gives you more information about your attendance in the course, activities. Also, you see here mobile app QR code. So for those who want to access and attend the course through their mobile phones, you can scan this QR code and download the mobile app to your mobile phone. I personally prefer working on a computer. Then you scroll down. Apart from badges, you also see course details that you provide, that you attend, and you can see different things. So for example, certificates. It's too soon to have any certificates at this point. Forum posts, for example, and I can see what I have done so far. And when I want to go back, I go to this arrow in the top left hand corner, and then again this button, and can scroll down and see more information, forum discussions as well. But again, I go back to this, and let me just show you. So in case you want to, when you finish your course, you don't want your data to be available, you go to data requests and delete my account, and also you can here have all your personal data export to you. You can also go to course profile. At this point, I'm at Model for Teachers Evo 21 Teacher Practice Area, or you can view more. Another thing which is important when you do the click on courses here, which is between about me, information about you, and edit profile. So courses give you information not only of the more details what you're attending, but also how much you have completed. Since I have tried to juggle with 3 courses, not much have been done so far, but I hope I will be able to be more efficient in the future. So hope that this was clear, and just to make sure one more time, if you want to make changes, you go here, see the QR code for mobile application, see the badges you have got, contacts that are available for people to get in touch with you. Here the information regarding your data, course details, and here you have a possibility to see how much advance you have made in the course. And that's all for today. Bye bye.